Welcome to the meet and greet members of the IEEE Control Systems Society, Healthcare and Medical Systems Technical Committee. Today we have a special session with Professor Marzia Cescon. Marzia, thank you so much for accepting the invitation, and I would like to start by asking if you could briefly introduce yourself and your research focus.
Yeah, thank you, Sergio, for the invitation. So I am the David Zimmerman, Assistant Professor of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering at the University of Houston in Texas. At U of H, I am also the founder and director of the Advanced Learning, Artificial Intelligence and Control Laboratory, which is a multidisciplinary group developing novel computational methods and tools for learning-based and data-enabled decision-making and control for complex systems, including healthcare and medical systems. So my current focus in this area is the automatic personalization and adaptation of insulin therapy in people with type 1 diabetes in order to achieve fully closed loop of glucose regulation. So what we do is to replicate the healthy regulation of glucose by using a combination of medical devices and an insulin infusion device. Medical devices measure glucose into the bloodstream, and smartwatches can give us a metabolic picture of the patient. So by applying automatic control techniques, we can fully close the loop and hopefully achieve normal glycemia.
Awesome. And what is the thing that excites you the most about your current research?
What excites me the most about my current research is the possibility of closing the loop on a human being. So we are very much familiar with exploiting foundational methods and tools for cyber-physical systems, for the built environment, but this application allows us to close the loop on a very critical and risky plant, the human being.
I see. And what would be the thing that you'd like to see achieved in our field? What is your shoot to the moon idea?
I would like to translate the discoveries and the fundamental science that we make in the lab into practical application, the so-called from the bench to the bedside, in order to reach the largest number of patients so that they can benefit from our technologies. I would also like to improve access across the world, and I try to do so by partnering with and licensing our technologies to startup companies that can develop, that can build medical devices at a lower cost than the mainstream medical device companies.
I see, that would be great. And thank you so much for accepting our invitation. And thank you at home for watching our meet and greet. We hope you found these insights inspiring. Stay tuned for more updates from our IEEE Technical Committee. And please feel free to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Marzia, once again, thank you so much for accepting this challenge.
Thank you, Sergio.